Hello, welcome to Elusiva Remote Sound demonstration. Remote Sound extends Windows Terminal services, allowing use of input sound devices, as well as high-resolution, low-latency audio playback. Here we have two sessions launched from servers with the same operating system, Windows 2003. The first session has Elusiva audio device, while the other one uses default device. Let us see how Remote Sound eliminates high latency and sound playback. We will simply compare playback from the same audio file in both sessions. Let us start with the session with default audio device. As we can hear, there are a few latencies in playback while I move the seeker forward and backward. Let us try the remote desktop session with Remote Sound. Besides support for input sound devices, Remote Sound allows you to use a wide variety of otherwise unsupported applications such as Skype, Microsoft Office Communicator, Dragon Naturally Speaking, and many more. Let us compress Skype audio abilities with and without Remote Sound. In the remote session with the default audio devices, you do not have the option to use a microphone, while Remote Sound does give you this advantage. Let's test it. In order to provide necessary sound quality and adjust traffic usage, Remote Sound provides audio compression, so you can request the codecs you need for playback and for recording. You can do this by navigating to Start, Run. For playback, and for recording, with Remote Sound, you can concurrently play multiple audio streams from multiple applications. Remote Sound cares about secure transfer of your information, so all the communications are encrypted. It supports a wide variety of operating systems and works on virtual machines. Elusiva Remote Sound is an efficient way to extend RDP protocol for use in different environments, such as call centers, distributed offices, and so on.